This 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 1808 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features a crosshatch interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, awning, TV, stovetop burner, oven, smoke detector, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 1808 FBS is 3,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.